guys, it's Ruby Pachili here, back with another video. And in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to style curly hair from beginning to end. I'm gonna try to keep this very simple. I'm only going to use 3 products, and I'm just gonna show you every single step along the way. This curly wash day routine can be done by anyone who has any type of curl type. I'm gonna try and keep this as simple as possible so that anyone can follow this, no matter if you have 2A or 4C curls. I know that one of the most difficult things when you are so used to straightening your curly hair is, I don't wear my hair curly because it doesn't look good, or I don't know how to do it. I don't know how to make my curls pop. I don't know how to make them look good. I don't know how to style my curly hair. Well, this video, I'm gonna show you guys how to do that. Don't mind my singing, but this is step 1 to apply your leave-in conditioner. You can apply this on either wet or dry hair. Currently, what I have in my spray bottle is my Cantu smoothing leave-in conditioner mixed with water. Think of this step as the priming step before you apply your styling product. Step 2, style hair with brush. Now this step is optional. You can use your fingers, you can rake in the product however you like it. I'm using the brush because I feel like it smooths your cuticles better and it helps with definition. I'm using this brush similar as to how I would use the Denman brush. Now I am doing this step before I apply my styling product because I'll be using a mousse today. And to apply the mousse, you are to scrunch. So I already want my curls to be formed before I scrunch in the product. All I'm doing is taking sections at a time. What you can do also when you are passing the brush through your strands, you can tilt the brush down to create a little bit more ringlets. Now when you get to the front of your hair, decide how you want your hair to lay. If you're a person who struggles with getting definition and you have a lot of frizz, this technique might be exactly what you need to combat those issues, and working in sections will also help with that. Now when you get to the front of your hair, decide how you want your hair to lay so that you can create the part. Right now all I'm doing is finger coiling certain areas that I don't like the way it looks, and once I'm happy with it, I'm done. Step 3, applying your styling product. For today's routine, I have chosen a mousse. The way that I'm applying this product is I'm just scrunching it in. I like mousse because I have fine hair and low density hair, so I try to pick products that won't weigh my hair down, and mousse is always the go-to. However, I'm not cocktailing this product. I'm just gonna try this product on its own to see how I like it. And just like that, it's diffusing time. Now the diffuser that I will be using is the Dyson. However, any blow dryer with a diffuser attachment will work. The way that I diffuse my hair is by using the hover technique, which I learned through Mains by Mel's YouTube channel. Now all this technique is, instead of pushing the diffuser onto your hair and scrunching with it, you actually hover dry your hair. You don't touch your curls until they are absolutely dry. Really try not to touch your curls. I have a hard time doing this. I do touch my curls a little bit when I am moving them around so that the air can hit my scalp. But other than that, try not to touch your curls too much because then you will cause frizz. Now when you're diffusing your hair, just try not to use high heat. Always use low heat. Now depending on your hair length, this process can take a long time. However, I always choose diffusing over air drying because air drying is gonna take double the time or triple the time diffusing would take. For my length, this entire process took me about 15 minutes to fully dry my hair. When your hair is 95% dry, now is the time where you can start scrunching so you can create some more volume. After you're done diffusing, your hair might feel a little crunchy. That is what we call cast. Now the way to scrunch that cast out is to use an oil, which is also your sealant. So you're scrunching out the cast and you're also sealing everything you just put into your hair. Now this step is optional. It is unclumping your curls. Now when you are styling with a hairbrush, you are probably going to get a lot of clumps, so you won't be getting a lot of volume straight off the bat. One way to combat that is by unclumping your curls so that you can give yourself the volume that you want. Now it's very crucial that when you are doing this, make sure you're using an oil. Make sure that your hands have oil so that you're not creating frizz while you're doing this. Now, whenever you see a clump, you will see little curls within your clump. Try to follow that, and that's how you break them apart. That way you still keep the ringlety form that your curl already has. If by any chance you ruin your curl while you're doing this process, all you have to do is finger coil and your curl will regain the shape it had. So there you have it. These are my results for today's curly hair routine. I tried to keep all the steps that I feel like are crucial for you to have a great wash day. I do have a lot more frizz. Now, that's because I just use one styling product in this routine. I'm okay with that. My hair feels very soft. I did have a lot of clumps, but that's because I styled with a detangling brush. But all in all, I do like these results. The Cantu Wave Whip Curling Mousse. I would say that this is good. It's cute, but I do think that you might want to pair this with a cream just to get a little bit more definition. If you like a lot of hold, I wouldn't recommend this. But I'm gonna see how my hair looks tomorrow and day 3 and day 4 and day 5. We will see how this holds up.